Well, we certainly have some things to talk about regarding tomorrow, but first let's talk about tonight into the morning before we do that. Here's a live look at Temple, 60 degrees, southeastern winds, they're kind of cranking at 14 to 15 miles an hour. You can notice the sky there, it's been cloud cover throughout, and we have not seen a lot of sunshine in the past week. I think that's going to change for us, especially next week. But for right now, cloud cover and rain is what we expect. College Station, much of the same. You see all that cloud cover, 63 degrees, southeast winds, 8 to 10 miles an hour. Not too bad. Here's what I'm talking about. Throughout the course of the day, we've just been blanketed with these clouds, especially central Texas, feeling the brunt of all that. So we haven't got that sunlight that we love so much, and that won't change immediately, but eventually we'll get there. Here's what we saw today for our high temperatures. By and large, everyone in the low to mid 60s. Hardly any differences between one town to the next. And we see the same for our mornings tomorrow. We're in the mid 50s throughout because that cloud cover is going to keep some of that mild air close to the surface, so we won't drop much beyond that. Now, let's talk a little bit about what to expect tonight into tomorrow. About 10 o'clock tonight, we see that there's this low-level pressure system that's been camped out in South Texas, now making its way through Central Texas and through the course of tomorrow. Our first chances of rain begin later tonight. They will ramp up certainly tomorrow by noon as that warm front starts to retreat to the east and northeast. And this is all ahead of this cold front that we're expecting to come in tomorrow night. Now, eventually this will clear out, and by Friday evening, we have some clear skies, so we should applaud for that. That's something we have not had much of, but this is all by Friday afternoon and evening. All right, so the Severe Storm Prediction Center outlines 5 different risk levels for severe weather, 1 through 5, okay? So they have outlined our area, Central Texas and the Brazos Valley, with a few different conditional threats here. So we're seeing this orange area is a level 3 of 5. That's an enhanced risk for severe weather. The primary threats are tornadoes, and secondary threats right now are wind gusts and large hail. So the jet stream is going to be cranking tomorrow, and there's a lot of unstable air, and you mix that together and you get rotating updrafts with give you opportunities for tornadoes. They're expecting maybe 2 or 3 possibly, not exactly sure yet. Now, if you look all the way over here into Brazos Valley, that's a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. And then by and large, the rest of us in Central Texas is a level 1 out of 5. How much rain can we get out of this? Well, the eastern portions of our viewing area could get 1 to 2 inches of rain. All of this is going to be in the next 36 hours. I-35 west is going to predominantly get about 1/10 of an inch of rain, and then maybe even a 1/2 inch of rain. Let's take a look at our next 7 days all the way through. Tomorrow morning, all the rain really cranks in and the storm threat intensifies. We see a 70% chance in Central Texas, 100% chance of rain in the Brazos Valley, and then we get some clear skies all the way through the end of the weekend into next week. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s and 70s.
Yeah, but 70 degrees for our weekend, Jeff, that's not bad. All right, thank you.